welcome. It's probably that.
What is going on, guys? I am on my way back to a 2021 Nissan Rogue black in color. A little bit of background about this vehicle. When I say I'm going back to the vehicle is because yesterday when I responded to the call for a flat tire so that I could put the spare tire on and send this customer on the way, turns out that the customer had a wheel lock nut and didn't even have a key for it. So I went out of my way, went to multiple auto parts stores to see if I could find the same exact kind of wheel lock key, and I had no success of trying to find the wheel lock key. So I told the customer that the dealership is closed, none of the auto parts stores have the wheel lock key, and she might have to go to the dealership because the dealership might have put the wheel lock key or wheel locks on there and somehow didn't have the key. So I'm going back over there because I got in contact with the customer's boyfriend. And the boyfriend said that the place that she had the tire change, they kept the key, so they got in contact with the place that they had the tire changed and got the key back. So now I'm going back to that customer and I'm going to be changing out that tire. I already got the information. The vehicle has never moved, so the mileage is going to be the same. So I'm going to change that tire out for her. If her battery is dead, I'll go ahead and jump it off if needed. And we'll get her back up on the road. So stay tuned. I know exactly where this customer is. And I'll get her back up on the road. So we'll see you guys over at the customer's vehicle. Alright, so customer is way back here. Let me snap one picture and then I'll get with Madison. Since I already got the information, boom, I'll just get in contact with her. So, she's here. Hello. What are the odds of having the same technician come by? Yeah. Alright, if I can't get another signature. I already have all the same information from the last call.
You
so
have this.
yeah. Let's see. Oops, not that one. Go back.
My friend literally brought it to me.
Yeah. Alright, there you go. Mm-hmm. Alright.
We were going to try to change it, but then I gave up.
Oh, you gave up? Alright. And the spare tire is still inside the car? Oh, okay. Nice. I'm gonna test the tire pressure. What was that? Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Hit the 60.
What would you recommend if I wanted to go get it patched later?
I would say either Raphael Tire Master or Discount Tire. They're both really good. That's not coming. That's a different size. Always pays to have this. Let me lower it. I don't want to mess up the car. Get in there.
That's where we quit while ago, because we couldn't get them to come out.
Yeah. Alright. There you go. Much better. Those were really tight. Let's see.
So it wasn't just us, they were just really, really
Yeah, there you go.
Ah! Wait, I have to say. My dad.
Yeah, that's the only thing wrong with it. Now, I wish I had the tire patch kit. It'd be easy to plug that up.
Yeah.
But, you want this in your trunk?
Yeah.
Alright.
They can patch that pretty easy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I have one that's on its way. And what the tire patch that I'm getting pretty soon,
Yeah.
you just take this out, you put the needle in there, and you squeeze the handle, and it pushes like a mushroom kind of patch. And then you pull it right out, cut the access off.
Huh.
I wonder when that nail got there.
Probably a construction site.
I knew it went flat, like a stainless thing.
Yeah. This thing's not gonna fit under there.
Oh, so you're just gonna have to throw
Stand,
it.
yeah, stand it up, probably on the side over here. Yeah, go to, there you go.
I took my jacket. I don't
Yeah. That.
You think maybe
Probably
lay
have
it
to
flat?
lay it flat. There you go. Alright. Whew. That jack is not healthy.
Do you know what time the discount bar closes?
I believe around 7 or 8 o'clock. I can't remember. Come on, man. Come on there. Alright. Over there. Alright. And y'all are good to go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, y'all.
Can you find anything else?
Nope, you're good. Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Y'all have a great day. Whew. That was simple and easy. Got her back up on the road. Do a U-turn probably about here. But I got her spare tire on finally. But she's happy, her boyfriend's happy. I'm pretty sure her father's gonna be happy, because I think that was the father that I got in contact with, not the boyfriend. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to Walmart and get a case of water to put in here, because I drank my last my last bottle of water. So I'm gonna go get a case of water to put in here, and I'll be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and God bless.